Hey guys, why do I have pimples on my face? I literally have pimples on my dang face.
Sand.
Shh. Get them out. Okay. So. Why is it not focusing? Focus, 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 focus. Shh. In this episode, I will be taking a slime bath. So Michael, don't move. I'll be taking a slime bath like I said earlier in the episode. So let's see this consistency. It's gross.
What the heck?
Awesome. So, someone will be putting me in, and that someone is Ken.
Why is that here? Can you put it?
Okay.
Okay.
Pinky. Okay, hold on, sorry.
What the?
Okay, Pinky. Why is my pants falling down?
Shh.
Michael, quiet. You're so freaking loud. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it.
What?
Okay, so I'm gonna put you in there, I guess. Yep. Okay then. I don't know how to do this. Okay, are you ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ew. It's so gross. No, Michael, it's not your turn. Ew, why is it just slime? It's not supposed to be that, like that. It's like all liquidy. No, that's not liquid. Because when it sticks to me, it doesn't stick to my hand. Only a little. Like that? No, Vern, get out. See how cold this is?
It's cold. Wow, it's cold.
It's cold, but
Okay.
this is liquid slime.
His face.
No, liquid slime, but it's slimy. Like super slimy. Just look at it. Oh no! Oh no! No help! Ew! I hate some. This is made out of shampoo. Gross. No, get out of here, Vern. Ew! I feel slimy.
Yes,
Ew.
I love
I'm slimy, sludgy. Ew.
My turn.
No, Vern. No, because there won't be enough slime left in there for the other people who's gonna get slimed. So out. Maybe in the next one. Oh, ew. Okay, that's it for this episode, guys. Bye. And the next person who's gonna be doing this is Violet. No, Michael, no, don't do that. Anyways, bye.